Welcome back to Sketch Tutorial Series with Part 6. In this tutorial, we are going to draw the sketch of a statue in which we are going to draw a combination of interconnecting lines and arcs. So let's start sketching, but before I would like you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification for any of my future video uploaded. Start a new part. Offset the front plane by 100. Set up our drawing on this plane using Sketch Picture tool. Select the drawing. Press F to view the whole screen. Now match the scale of our drawing with that of Solidworks using the Scale tool. I will select this dimension to match the scale. Again, press F to view the whole screen. Now locate the origin on a suitable point like this one. Now let's draw our sketch on front plane. Start drawing lines and arcs and trace the drawing boundary. Close the boundary by connecting with the start point. Draw the horizontal and vertical axis and start defining the dimensions as per our drawing. Sometimes when we start defining the dimensions, the geometry tends to shift from the original drawing, as you can see here. Try to bring approximately close to the drawing by dragging lines and points. Continue defining the dimensions. Put fillets here and make the fillet arc tangent to the vertical axis. Now start defining radii of all the arcs. Define this angle. Define the distance of this point from vertical axis. Define the remaining dimensions. Put the remaining fillets. Draw the circle phi, define diameter and position of its center. Now our sketch is completely defined. Exit the sketch and look, it is exactly matching with our drawing. So this is the end of this part. Let's see you in the next part. Keep watching and subscribing Solidworks A Learning.